With the super blood moon phenomenon that occurs once every 195 years. It was visible and observed by the Indonesian Meteorological, Climatological and Geophysical Agency, or BMKG, in Bandung, West Java.
The observation was being held in Punclut tourism spot in Bandung, West Java by using just one pair of binoculars. The BMKG found that the peak of this phenomenon was visible, though not too clearly because of thick clouds. Visitors that came to witness the phenomenon used their own cell phones to record it. Many of them were excited to take pictures of the super blood moon in the background.
Meanwhile, in Jepara, Central Java, some university students performed lunar eclipse sunnah prayers, done as a form of gratitude to the Almighty. Head of the congregation said that praying is a momentum of contemplation. It is usually performed during occurrence of the phenomenon, but because of pandemic at this time, the duration of the prayer was shortened.
Indonesia, with its more than 17,000 islands and more than 270 million people, have their own unique traditions in welcoming a natural phenomenon. One of them can be found in Sikka district in East Nusa Tenggara when welcoming the super blood moon.
In welcoming the super blood moon, the local residents of Sikka district, East Nusa Tenggara, come out of their houses and beat electric poles with sticks. It occurs along the Trans Flores Street. They believe that by hitting on poles or a traditional instrument called a gong, the lunar eclipse will shine brighter. Another unique tradition from the locals when welcoming an eclipse is by pinching the ears of their pets. This has been done from generation to generation.
Hundreds of Hong Kong citizens gathered on the waterfront of Victoria Harbour on Wednesday night to watch the lunar eclipse. People across the world stayed up to watch the cosmic event called a super blood moon, a combination of a total lunar eclipse and a brighter than usual super moon.
Crowds were seen on the Kowloon side of the iconic harbour as the lunar eclipse was expected to be visible from an unobstructed vantage point looking east or southeast. People of all ages and families took the opportunity to gather outdoors, with Hong Kong's coronavirus situation improving. Some of them arrived as early as late afternoon to get a good position. It was the first total lunar eclipse there in more than 2 years.